In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new folder in Outlook. This is a quick and easy process that will only take you about 5 minutes, but by the end, you'll have a new organizational tool at your fingertips. Let's dive right in so you can start managing your emails more effectively. First, we need to begin our journey at the Outlook login page. To do this, open your preferred web browser and go to Outlook's official website. If you're using Microsoft 365, simply head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page to get started. It's always a good practice to ensure you're on the correct website to keep your account information secure. Once you've reached the Outlook login page, the next step is to sign into your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the one where you intend to create a folder. After clicking on sign in, you will be prompted to enter your email address and password. Enter these details carefully. A quick tip, if you often forget your login credentials, consider using a secure password manager to store your details for easy access next time. After successfully logging into your account, it's time to navigate to the mail section. This is where the magic happens. On the Outlook homepage, you'll notice a navigation bar that might feature many options. Click on Mail to take you to your inbox and start the folder creation process. Your inbox is probably home to many emails, and adding a new folder here can significantly help streamline your organization. Now that you're in your Mail section, let's access the folder pane. This pane is crucial as it visually represents where all your existing folders are and is the place where you'll create your new one. Depending on your view settings, the folder pane might already be visible on the left-hand side of your screen. If you don't see it, look for an arrow or a toggle switch that helps reveal or hide it. The folder pane is your command center for all things organization within Outlook. With the folder pane in view, it's time to create your new folder. Look for an option or a button labeled something like Create New Folder. This feature is designed to let you add new folders quickly. Clicking on this will prompt you to set up a new folder under the structure of your existing folders, giving you a sense of hierarchy and organization right from the start. Once you click to create a new folder, it's time to give it a name. The importance of naming your folder cannot be overstated. Choose a name that clearly represents the type of emails it will contain. For example, if you're creating a folder for work-related emails, perhaps consider naming it Work or something more specific like Project ABC. Remember, the goal is to make it easy for you to locate and manage emails in the future. Now that your folder has a name, the creation process is essentially complete. You can now start moving emails into this folder, or receive emails directly into this folder by adjusting your rules and settings. This small organizational step will make a big difference in the long run, helping you keep your inbox efficient and clutter-free. And that's all there is to it. Creating folders in Outlook is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your email organization. By following these steps, you should now possess the skills to add as many folders as needed to keep your communication sorted and manageable. Don't forget to periodically review and update your folder structure to ensure it continues to meet your evolving needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create a new folder in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy to follow guides. Stay organized, and we'll see you in the next tip video.